front of me is ZTE Blade V50, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Firstly, you need to open Recorder app and tap on Allow in the pop-ups if you never used it before. Now, before starting recording, tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Click on Format Settings and tap on the best option for you. Then to start recording, hit this blue button at the bottom. If you picked this kind of format, you can click on OK in the pop-up or choose Do Not Remind Me Again and then hit OK. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on the flag icon on the left. And to add a photo one on the camera. Now take a picture. To redo it, tap on the left button. To discard it, select the X on the right. And to add it, click on checkmark in the middle. Now, if you wish to end and save your recording, click on Done on the right. You can also delete it right away by selecting Delete in a new recording pop-up. If you wish to keep it though, you can name it and hit Save. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To delete it, hold it. Click Delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!